Hey there, welcome everyone. Thanks very much for joining me today for another great little segment of Roddos Rules, where we take good old-fashioned recipes, the stuff that we've been eating for years, we flip them on their heads and we turn them around and we take out the bad stuff, we put in the good stuff, and we make delicious food using really quick, really easy recipes that are really healthy and good for us and help us to lose more weight and to manage our type 2 diabetes and all those things that have been a struggle for a lot of people for a lot of years. Righto, so what have we got today? Good old-fashioned chocolate mousse. As you can see on our ingredient board here, we've all had chocolate mousse, and I don't think there's anyone that doesn't love chocolate mousse. How about you? I know I do, and we've eaten it for a long, long time. So, as you can see, not many ingredients. But first and foremost, we're going to take our old favourite chocolate ice cream. That's going in the sin bin, and we're going to shoot that down to my brother-in-law. That's going to be an awful mess by the time it gets down to him, but he'll enjoy that anyway, and we're going to knock out some really, really tasty chocolate mousse. Okay, now as you can see, not many ingredients, super healthy. Let's get started and let's get going. So from the top, couple of very ripe bananas, and want to stress the importance of very ripe there. It's just going to help it all blend up, all mash up, all stick together. So from the very top, a couple of bananas, we're going to cut those up a little bit, and again use our trusty old food processor. I think there's not many things that we don't use our food processor for in all this healthy cooking, using all these great local ingredients. Obviously, bananas from the local greengrocer, the avocados here from the farm just up in the mountains. So beautiful, beautiful, good food. We're going to pop all those in. First and foremost, our avocado. Going to split him open there, twist him all around, give him a bit of a twist, and we're going to scoop that out. And again, you don't have to worry too much because the food processor is going to do all the work for us. So we're going to pop that in there. Beautiful. Pop that seed out. Again, make sure they're ripe avocados because it's just going to help it all bind up and help it all stick together nicely. Our second avocado, pop him in half. Whiz him around. Oh, there we go. Seeds out. Good. Again, spoon him out. Super quick, super easy. Spin that around there a bit, and again, let's give that food processor a bit of a go here. And let's go. So as you can see, it doesn't take long at all. So we just grab the spatula there, just push it in the middle, just to make sure it all cuts up evenly there. Go again. Beautiful, done. There you go. As you can see, I'm just going to tilt that over so you can see that. It doesn't take long at all. All cut up, all mashed up nicely, bound together, beautiful. Now running through our list, we've done our avocados, down to our almond butter. We've got a couple of tablespoons. You can use a couple of different sorts of nut butter, again, depending on your own taste, preference, whatever you like there. Got all those measured out. We're going to pop those in there. 2 tablespoons. Down our ingredient list. Half a cup cacao powder. There we go, all measured out, ready to go. Straight in, just going to spin that around there a little bit, like that. Lid back on, and we'll give him another mix. Beautiful. Ah, oh, smells lovely. That cacao powder all mixing through. I'm going to stop that for a minute. We're just going to give that a bit of a scrape down there. Good, just to help him along. And our final ingredient is 2 tablespoons of coconut milk. So all mixed out here, ready to go. 1 and 2. Sensational. Pop the lid on. Last turn. Fantastic. See how quick was that? Takes no time at all, not many ingredients, pop them all together again in the food processor, all batched up there, ready to go. So we'll pop those blades out. We're going to get our mousse out of the processor here. Look at that, look at the rich texture. Look how beautiful and thick and creamy that is. Absolutely beautiful. And smells magnificent, absolutely magnificent. Now we're going to take this now, we're going to pop it into a couple of cups. Pop it in there, just go easy. We want to make sure it presents nicely. We don't want to make a mess all over the side of the cup. Like that. Pop as much as you like in there. And as you can see, that's roughly about one serve, and I've got about the same amount still left. So those ingredients pretty much make 2 serves, if you like. So from here, we're going to take this, pop that into the fridge just to let it firm up a little bit. And what I'd like to show you, now look at those 2 we prepared earlier. They've been in the fridge a couple of hours just to firm up. And as you can see, absolutely magnificent. So to finish those off, we've got a little bit of garnish, got our cacao nibs to add, and some beautiful, beautiful fresh raspberries. Can't beat it. So I'm going to pop a couple of those on top. A couple there as well. And some cacao nibs just to finish it off, and check those out. Look at those. Absolutely magnificent. Can't wait to have those for lunch later on. That is an absolute treat. Well, thanks very much for joining me again here. It's great to have you along. Check out my website, sportsadventure.com.au. I've got a swag of recipes there. Things like our chocolate mousse and a whole range of great little sliders and pizza and pancakes and all sorts of great stuff, all made with really healthy food, healthy ingredients. Check them out today. If you've got any questions, I'll be online afterwards. Drop us a message, give us a call, we can have a chat, send us an email, anything you like, and I can show you more recipes and a healthy way that you can live every single day. That I tell you what, I coach exactly how I live, as my family do as well, and to get out and be well and feel great, lose that weight that you might have been struggling with, and all those yo-yo diets and all those things for all those years, and even some type 2 diabetes. I'm helping a lady at the moment with type 1 diabetes, and her blood glucose level has been so even and consistent for so long now. It's absolutely magnificent. Really helping her to gain her control and get out and enjoy life again. Thanks very much for joining in. Great to have you along. Looking forward to seeing you next week. Catch you next time.